For us, digitalization doesn't mean cutting back on staff, but supporting them to make their everyday work easier. The company Ortlieb has around 350 employees, and we produce waterproof bags here on site in Heilsbrunn. The orders we're getting these days tend to be smaller. Retailers used to order larger amounts, but end users just order a few bags or replacement parts. So we're seeing a trend towards smaller orders, and we have to respond to this both on-site and through IT. We have clear order picking structures. We work with L-Mobile's order picking system, and now we also have the support of the multi-order picking concept. How can we reduce routes for our order pickers in the finished goods warehouse? The answer lies in multi-order picking. Our picking process depends on the order. There are different kinds of orders, like small or large orders, sample orders, or end-user orders. In our case, we decided that we could handle 8 orders at once. And this number is scalable. We could also decide to handle 10. The order picker starts with 8 different boxes, which are all different colors. And now we also have the support of the multi-order picking concept. As soon as the order picker has picked the first item in an order, the system assigns it a color. And this color matches the box that they put the item in. Then the next item on the list will be red. And so they take that item and can put it in the red box without having to think about it. Once the 8 orders have been picked, the items in the colored boxes are packed into the right size cardboard box for shipment. Shipping is at the core of what we do. The interface is also by L-Mobile. The creation of the delivery note and pick posting starts with a scanning process. Then we print the shipment label and finally the invoice. Back in 2012, it was very different. All picking orders were printed out in the morning. We had all the well-known disadvantages of paper order picking. When an order was being handled, the stock wasn't updated in real time, as employees just had their paper packing slip. During this time, new items from production weren't taken into account because the document had been printed half an hour ago. So in 2013, we introduced L-Mobile's order picking system and abolished all these paper processes. So we digitalized everything permanently by giving employees that information online at the terminals instead of on paper. It wasn't a huge transition for them. They're obviously all familiar with L-Mobile's order picking. The great thing is that it is so simple that when we have temporary workers during peak times, even untrained employees can handle it on their own 10 minutes after you've showed them. Obviously, it's a huge advantage for them to be productive and efficient straight away, and it wasn't hard. The interface is easy to understand. The user can see all the necessary data. So it wasn't a big transition, and everyone is happy to be walking around less. We're very happy that our stock is always transparent. We can react straight away to changes in stock. When I think about how many tons of paper we used to print out to stay up to date and react to these changes in stock, as soon as the slip was printed, it was already out of date. Now, I can't imagine logistics without a scanning or picking system that shows the exact stock level at that second.